Welcome, I'm SD Kelly. In this video, I make a secret message bottle, and it's one that you can make to send it to somebody that you really admire. I'm wrapping some jute cord around the top of this glass bottle that I got from Dollar Tree. And these glass bottles are decorative. They come with a cork in the top. Now you can decorate the bottle, of course, any way that you choose. I wanted to have more of a romantic vibe. This sort of craft, though, can be used for more than just romance. It can be used for an uplifting, inspirational message for a friend, a loved one. I pre-measured these 2 pieces of burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree to go around the circumference of this bottle just a little bit over so I can fold the end in and give it a more finished look. I'm taking this red and white string and another red and white string, and I'm tying the one around the center of the other one. And the string in which I just tied the first string around, I'm going to tie that around and then tie it off in a bow around this note that I wrote on this unbleached piece of parchment paper. I actually use unbleached parchment paper for my cooking, but it also makes a very pretty piece of paper to give a kind of antique look to a note, to make it look like it's a classic love note. But the regular parchment paper works just as well to make a pretty project. To keep the note dangling and suspended in the middle of the bottle, I'm using a thumbtack to hold the first string to the bottom of the cork. And for the final touch, I'm going to be tying on this rose. To attach a recipient gift tag, I'm just using a corner piece of the paper I'm actually working on. It's just like the brown packaging paper. And I'm cutting out a little heart, and I'm going to poke a hole through it and tie it onto a piece of the twine. Once again, I am SD Kelly, and I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up. Also, I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.